Welcome to the beginning of a new era where Fulfulde Movies is born, a company bursting with new ideas, highlighting the religion, entertainment, relationships through the traditions and culture of Fulbe, taking you deep into the history of the Fulbe kingdom. Fulfulde Movies, a new company with new ideas, thinking outside the box, bringing you something you have never seen or heard before.
Hotu haawani kobo mi hore bengi kwa. Hai, mingala ajema. Hai dil. Naam buba. Hano njatao. Hai mjame. Jabu mo. Ongana euro mo to. Ko gara wuro janano kana joro da giya hada himbe sakata da wuro mu. Igretu hokka on lekki nafohi. Amba abore hokka on lekki nafohi.
Gada hande. Bode hande kulmi fuddita mi a hara sare amin
the first company to create and produce Fulbe films showing the true culture and traditions of Pulaku.
Anya ta tifana in shedina komin wurtato ya tifana
debbo dun yata wadanta ke gorko
anyam si ko mami yanda mami adura
mi wari filaki da kalmada
mi mana bilami fute ata bilami
to ayata ya wan ayai to an bojuli amunya nay mutun da wani ko ya wadara an kuma ne
Mo Allah Wuji Furdata showcases
ajarama ala sabinani ajarama ala sayni
alhamdulillah
the religion, the culture, entertainment, history, and the kingdom of Fulbe. Not to forget education.
Kofeidofu tatelu sarena felamin gamin wadi kodume.
Habaruma da yodi yurminki sanan komai ijo mirawo.
And enlightenment. It's a moving story full of intrigue, suspense, cruelty, patience, bravery, and royalty. Mo Allah Wuji Furdata showcases
Victorima Yarami
Aljanna dokalala Aba Juli
Abdullahi Umar Windebago, Hussein Ba Abubakar, Mohammed Sunusi Bombola, Yusuf Ishaq Buba, Weti Weli. Fulfulde Movies are the sponsors with the help Farooq Umar Windebago, Hussein Ba Abubakar, Abdullahi Umar Windebago, Ali Ba Abubakar, Mohammed Sunusi Bombola, Usman Garbo, Chairman Tijani Umar, Umar May Avio, Nasuru Taylor Beko, Nuruddin Umar Bare, Managing Team, Dr. Sajo Ba Peral, Media Network, Dr. Abbas Gura, Yusuf Ishaq Buba, Weti Weli, Waldere Fulbe, WFFN, and Peru Media Network. Dudal Fulfulde and Fulani Tube. Story, screenplay, Osman Usi. Produced by Farooq Umar Windebago. Assistant Director, Mohammed Suraj Adam. Directed by Abdullahi Umar Windebago. Fulfulde Movies. Seho Bandarabe Fulbe. Mo Allah Wuji Furdata. Coming soon.